Hey everybody, it's Randy and Kim at FamilyTentCamping.com. We've been showing you the Oxley Lite 7 2-room tent by Oz Tent. Randy's getting ready to take it down, so he's going to show you some of that up close and personal. And here we go. So first he's going to start with taking down the back room. And it's a nice windy day, so we'll get a chance to see how that's done in the wind. So the pole that holds up the back room has 3 sections, and they're shock corded. And there's the one in the sleeve. Now we're going to go inside and release the inside. Now he did not unstake the main room of the tent because of the wind. He wants that to be staked down still, but he's going to go inside and pull down the center hub, which will release the tent. Let me show you that hub. There you are. And he's going to pull that down while stepping his head out, and that just lets the entire tent come down. Kind of like a spider. You have the body is where the hub is, and then you have the legs that release right at the knuckle joint. Now he'll go ahead and pull up the stakes that the tent is down, since it's a real windy day today. So you'll notice all the leg knuckle joints collapsed into themselves. And he's just going to pull up then the 4 feet to the middle. And the straps from the feet can overlap the knuckle joint at the top. And that'll help hold it together. So he's going to open up that strap, put it over a knuckle joint, and that'll just be like an extra hand holding things together for him. And he just kind of crosses them across from each other. Pull up that last one. Okay. Just going to kind of straighten all the fabric out a little bit, pull it a little bit flat. Then he's going to bring that back room around. Start with the frame end, and then he's just going to roll it all into itself. Let him go get his straps and everything over there. You'll notice the bag is reinforced at the ends and the shoulder strap comes undone, so that way everything opens up nice and wide, and then you can cinch it closed afterwards or cinch it smaller. The instruction and the owner's manual is in a nice plastic pouch. The bag's a nice heavy-duty canvas. It's all PVC lined as well. And all of the poles come with bags for the poles and so forth as well. Your fly and your divider room curtain. He's got those sitting on over there. We'll let him get this strap. Comes with straps to go around the tent itself. 2 straps. Love an oversized bag. Oh, don't forget to put your poles and your fly in there, babe. Almost forgot the rest of it. FamilyTentCamping.com for your Oxley 7 2-room Lite tent.